Namaskar to everyone present here. Goa, Mumbai, Udaipur, Bangalore. What are these famous for? Yes, you got that right. Destination wedding. So, let me take you to one destination wedding with a plot twist in that. Mr. Iyer, who resides from Bangalore, has come to Udaipur for his daughter's destination wedding.
Supandi, our guests are on the border.
Which board are you talking about? The blackboard or the whiteboard?
No, I mean they have boarded a plane from Delhi.
Ayyo, why plane? They could have gone to the mountains. It's pretty pleasant there.
Ayyo Deva, what are you talking? They have scheduled to land in an hour.
So, you mean to say that they did not like themselves in the air, so they are coming on the land?
Supandi, the plane will land in an hour's time.
Okay, got it.
Yes, I want you to pick them up from the air.
I wanted to ask that how many people have to be picked up?
There are 6 of my relatives. Go, pick them.
Eee, they must be really heavy, sir. I am not a weightlifter.
You don't have to pick them up on your shoulders. You just have to bring them here.
Do you want me to bring some air?
Get out!
Nah, I got it. Just one more thing I wanted to ask, that how will I recognize them?
I have sent your photo to them. They will come to you. And don't forget to give some flowers to them.
Now, Supandi arrives at the airport and he's waiting in the lobby and starts a conversation with a person sitting next to him.
It must be a long wait for you.
My weight is just 45 kgs. How about yours?
Give me a break.
The brakes are in the car. Sorry, I can't get them now.
How old are you? Do you have white hair?
Yeah, I have 3 heirs at my house. All of them are super cute and white.
You Deva.
Supandi is looking for his guests. Meanwhile, he heard an announcement. Mr. Supandi reached the departure gate. Supandi reaches the departure gate and sees some people waving at him and calling his name.
Namaskar. Take.
Supandi, what is this in the packet? What in the world is this?
Mr. Iyer told me to gift you some flour. But I thought multigrain would be better than regular wheat flour. At last, you are my sir's special guest, no?
Really? We, the special guest, are expected to make our own rotis? Has Aya gone crazy?
No, he's not gone anywhere. He's at the hotel only.
Oh God, I can't bear him anymore. Let's walk straight into the bus.
But ma'am, I am a human being, not a bear.
Which hotel is this?
No, madam. There are no bitches in the hotel.
Okay.
I don't like people who beg.
This looks like MI room.
No, ma'am. You do not look like a road to me. You are a lady.
This is MG Road.
Well, maybe.
When will these guests of yours check out?
I can show you my checkbook. But Mr. Iyer would only be paying for their stay.
Oh God, save my soul.
Oh dear, God is too busy for you. We have a local cobbler. I will get your soul done.
Can you make the chicken faster? I will die in these clothes because of heat.
Madam, why do you want to go in heat and dye your clothes?
I wish I did, Supandi. Now get off from my sight.
While everybody were in their rooms, Supandi thought to roam about in the hotel and he accidentally met the chef of the hotel and forced him to tell him if some help he can do.
Hello sir, my name is Supandi.
Hi Sapandi, how can I help you?
Vice versa, sir. You tell me, how can I help you?
But that's against our hotel policy.
Don't worry, sir. No one will get to know anything.
Well, on that note, let us make boneless chili chicken. We will nail it.
How will we nail it, sir? We don't even have a hammer for it.
Huh? We don't have to hammer it. We have to excel it.
Oh, MS Excel.
Forget it. First, take that black syrup bottle. Shake before putting it on the chicken. What are you doing?
Sir, you only asked me to shake before putting it on the pan.
Forget it. Will you just beat 2 eggs in the bowl meanwhile?
Sir, Gandhiji asked us not to resort to violence. And I won't beat anyone.
I will get the salt and beat the marinated eggs. Will you just the marinated chicken?
Sir, I was never good at maths. I don't think I can add the things properly.
Stop! Just leave everything. Why would you do that?
Sir, you only asked me to leave everything.
Quite. This needs a die.
Die? Who will die? I wouldn't kill anyone and I would not let you kill anyone.
Not die, you fool. It's color dye. Just stand still while I cook. I have put everything in this pan. Will you just watch it for me? Get out of here, you fool! And don't ever enter this hotel's kitchen ever again.
Sir, you only asked me to watch it and that's what I'm doing.
Ah!
What a clumsy day it is.